Internet browsing is something that we do 100% of the time, every day. Everybody uses it. If you're living in 2023, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should not be using the Google Chrome app if you own a Mac computer. Now, Windows users, I don't care, you can use it. All right, so let's get into the 5 things. The first thing, would you believe this Chrome app drains the heck out of your Mac computers? Chrome literally drains more power than Safari. What I want you to do is go to your activity monitor, or I should say go to your battery usage monitor, and it's going to show you the amount of energy that Google Chrome is using. And this is, of course, if you have already downloaded Google Chrome onto your computer. Here's number 2. Privacy issues. So there are privacy extensions in the Chrome app. You're actually giving Google Chrome access to some of the things that you may not want them to see. Number 3, Google Chrome is watching you. Let's just be frank about it. They're watching what you're browsing. It's ridiculous. Now, Apple also watches you, but they watch you less. So number 4 deals with operating systems. If you have an operating system that is older than El Capitan, you're not supported at all. Safari, however, is supported through all of the operating systems that Apple has offered through the years. Now, I know El Capitan is, of course, it's older. It's an older operating system. You probably should be updated by now. But if you happen to have an older computer that does not support any of the newer operating systems, don't download Google Chrome. Number 5, Safari is actually safer than Google Chrome. Safari, of course, is fully supported by Apple. When you get your security updates, which you should be getting every so often, every few months, Safari is safer because it's supported by Apple. For the record, I do not have Google Chrome installed on any of my Macs. I've got like 6 or 7 of them. I actually love Google Chrome, but when I heard about this and also experienced my own issues with Google Chrome, I said never again. As a Mac user, I will not use this internet browser.